shoulder belt. Just
My
strap
5-point.
in. Welcome back. This is not going to be a week of car vlogs. Today we're heading off to Grand Cayman for the islands. What cars are we going to see, David?
Hugos.
By the way, David, Eddie, Tedward. We're set? All right, let's go. Well, I hope you guys will stick around, even though we're not going to be hooning supercars this week. But there will be a lot of fun, basic girl vlogs on the beach. Yeah, we'll talk about cars.
We're gonna do a respected drive on the beach, right?
What?
You respect the drive in the pool.
Are we gonna join the Mile High Club?
And a big thank you to Dr. M3 for our a 2-year subscription to Road and Track, because whenever he gets it, he sends one to me. I love it. Thank you. Now we can read Matt Farah's articles. Wait a minute, are those only online or are they in print too?
I think they are.
Like right there is Georgetown, and then we're staying right here up at the top of 7 Mile Beach.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
You guys ready? It's a Suzuki Grand Vitara. How do you feel about this luxury?
Well, it's not as ugly as the other Suzuki at the end of the line.
While I put my bags in, David, you tell them about the luxurious Suzuki Vitara.
More plastic than a Harbor Freight, but that's fine. Durable.
Yep.
That's all.
This is not Alcantara, but it has a light that goes both on and off. Porsche Cayman Islands.
GT3.
Tell me there's a GT3 in here. Does Zach work here? Can Zach get transferred? Speedster.
Oh, look at that golf cart. Look at this red. No, look at this red one back here.
It's wide body too. They've done some work to it. In case you were wondering what they've got for Porsches on the island when you're holding all your funding here. I hope he drives this forklift on the street so badly. Oh yeah, send it.
Alright, thanks.
Oh yeah.
Oh dear. Oh god, I got the blind.
Eddie, tell us about this car.
Rear-wheel drive. 100 horsepower, maybe.
How big is this motor?
I think it's a 1.8.
How's that suspension, David?
Good, good.
Yeah? Look at the strut on the Vitara. This is so odd. It opens sideways and still has a strut, so that way it will automatically open. That is a Doug DeMuro quirk and feature. Good morning. All right, now that we finally got a little sleep, let me tell you what's going on here. We are on vacation on Grand Cayman, and the view out of this place is pretty insane. I think the Cayman Island car culture is alive and well. It's just different. And if you know anybody who's here who has some funky cars, tuners especially, let me know in the comments. It would be really cool if we could meet up with like the Cayman Islands car scene while we're here. Welcome outside. We've got this infinity pool, which it's kind of only an infinity pool if you're about here, but right over there is the ocean, and there's like thousands of fish everywhere. But my favorite part about being out here is that you see what looks like little chipmunks everywhere, but really they're lizards. Not bad, eh? Getting used to this Ronin. So I think it's time to crack open a couple Coronas and start to do this the right way. I should probably also explain that this is not a normal vacation for me. Typically, I take off vacation from work. I'm just out driving on road trips or sitting at home and not working, which is also wonderful. But I was lucky enough to have my friend David invite me on this insane vacation, and Eddie came along with us too. So we're basically having like the ultimate bros weekend. So if you're new to the channel and you're thinking, oh, this douchebag just drifts Lamborghinis in the snow and goes to the Caymans, such is not the case. I do not own a Lamborghini. In fact, I've got my 01 E39 M5, my 2010 M3 with like almost 70,000 miles now. and my beloved 88 Carrera. So, yes, middle class. This is all an illusion of YouTube right now. I could get used to this. But when opportunities come by, you must take them. What are you boys talking about buying?
Black Hawk.
You're just trying to buy a Black Hawk?
UH-60 Sikorsky helicopter.
How much?
200.
No big deal. 200 grand, that's it.
That's it.
I know, it's absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive. We're here all week, so we'll see you in the next one.